Hello dear English learners and lovers. Today I am present with a new video, that is words denoting sounds. Animals and birds name and their sounds. So it is very special class for all English learners and lovers, as well as all competitive aspirants and who attends SLST and other C or D groups exam. So it is very special class and you can note down of this class. So I explain today and I tell the names, animals name, birds names and their sounds. So let's start. Apes, that is gibber. Asses, that is bray. Bears, that is growl. Bees, that is hum, drone or buzz. Birds, that is sing, warble, twitter, chirp. Bulls, that is below. Cattle, low or moo. Calves, that is bleat. Camels, that is grunt. Cats, that is mew or purr. Cocks, that is crow. Crows, that is cow. Cows, that is low or moo. Dogs, that is bark or yap. Goats or sheep, that is whine and bleat. Doves, that is coo. Ducks, that is trumpet, ducks, that is quack. Elephant, that is trumpet. Eagles, that is scream. Vultures, that is scream. Wolves, yell or howl. Flies, buzz. 23. Frogs, croak. 24. Geese, cackle. Crickets, chirp. Hens, cluck. Horses, neigh or snort. Hyenas, laugh. Jackals, howl. Lions, roars. Mice, squeak. Monkeys, catter. Nightingales, warbles. Owls, hoot. Pigeons, coo. Pig, grunt. Puppies, yap. Serpent, hiss. Sheep, bleat. Squirrels, squeak. Tigers, roars. Turkeys, gobble. সো এইটা ছিল আজকের ভিডিও। এটা বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় খুবই আসে এবং না জানা থাকলে সমস্যায় পড়ি। অতএব এই ভিডিও যদি আপনাদের ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেল সাউন্ড ইংলিশ একাডেমি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং পরবর্তী ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য অপেক্ষা করুন। থ্যাংক ইউ।